Okay, here we have the Vaer S5 calendar field watch in 40 millimeters. It also comes in 36 millimeters. Has sapphire crystal. Its Japanese quartz movement comes with 2 bands as standard. Additional bands for purchase on their website. This hit everything I was looking for in a field watch. A really simple, clean design. Does have the seconds on it, as well as obviously the date, being a calendar watch. One of the nicer features that this does have, being waterproof, is a screw down locking crown. Pretty easy to use. I checked it out and was able to spin it forward. No problem, lock it down without it getting stuck. Really high quality feel for a watch under $200. You do get 2 straps standard. You can also add a stainless steel bracelet for an additional $60. Just went with the NATO one. Both are waterproof, and the silicone one has a really nice feel to it. There it is, the S5 calendar field watch from Vaer.